Welcome to the UBJ Community. We're excited to guide you through our rewarding program. In this guide, we'll explain how you can progress through levels, earn badges, and unlock exciting rewards. Your journey with us is designed to be engaging, motivating, and highly beneficial. Our progressive membership system is structured to help you grow, learn, and earn more as you become more involved. Here's a detailed look at each level. Your journey officially begins after you complete your registration and successfully finish your training program. Once these initial steps are done, your profile will automatically upgrade to task member at this level. You'll receive daily tasks specifically designed to help you familiarize yourself with the platform and integrate into our vibrant community. Completing these tasks is your first step towards earning recognition and rewards, as it will advance you to the bronze badge level. Earning your bronze badge is a significant milestone. This level is crucial because it unlocks your withdrawal benefits, allowing you to convert your accumulated UBJ coins into real cash. This is where your efforts truly start paying off. Continue to engage with additional tasks to climb higher and reach the silver badge. The silver badge opens up even more opportunities within the UBJ community. As a silver badge holder, you gain exclusive access to the UBJ locker room and workshops. These resources are designed to help you expand your skills and knowledge, providing valuable insights and tools. You'll also unlock advanced mining benefits, which means you can earn even more through various engagement activities, such as chatting, commenting, posting, and following other members. This level also marks the point where you can start promoting and recruiting new members to significantly boost your earnings and impact. Achieving the gold badge signifies your readiness to take on a leadership role. This prestigious level unlocks the UBJ Brand Leadership Training, a specialized program dedicated to guiding you to become a prominent leader within our community. This training will equip you with the skills and mindset to inspire others and open doors to incredible growth and success. The Diamond Badge is reserved for our most dedicated and highest achieving members. It grants you access to the exclusive UBJ Student Program, a comprehensive initiative designed to cultivate and monetize your expertise. This program features the Platinum Badge represents the highest and most distinguished level within the UBJ community. As a Platinum member, you officially become an MX member, the ultimate tier reserved for purpose-driven leaders who demonstrate exceptional commitment and impact. At this pinnacle, you'll gain exclusive access to the Leadership Dashboard, a powerful tool designed to help you maximize your earnings, deepen your influence, and make a lasting difference within and beyond our community. The UBJ Task Membership Program is built to transform your effort into remarkable success. Begin your adventure as a task member and watch yourself grow with fun, engaging, and rewarding tasks.
UBJ, please, take it. Thank you very much. Prudence,
You're not alone on this journey. With unwavering support from our dedicated team and leaders, you will thrive within a caring, motivating, and highly collaborative community. Welcome to the UBJ Task Membership Program, where your dedication truly turns into unparalleled success.